Here's interesting app. It's called Primerica app. So just tap get to get it. Double click to install. And then, yeah, that's what it is. Primerica app is built with the latest in cutting edge technology. Access free savings and loans calculators on the login screen to help you plan for your future. Whether you want to buy a home or auto, go on vacation, pay off debt, save for college, or plan for retirement, choose the calculator you need to help you determine your best plan of action. Primerica representatives can log in for additional tools and features that help them conduct key business building activities on the go, with or without internet connection. So, yep, and then you can just open up the app. Then you can log in with your app ID, or you can just register. Yeah, and here you have that. So yeah, that's basically the idea.